Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, hope you are well. Welcome to this online computer class. I am here today to teach you in this online class. Today's topic: different types of keys of the keyboard, from page number 22, 23 and 24 of book. In today's lesson, we will discuss about the different types of keys of the keyboard. So let's start our today's lesson. As you know, the keyboard has different types of keys, such as alphabet keys, number keys, function keys, special keys, arrow keys, and special character keys. First of all, we are going to discuss about the special keys of the keyboard. Caps lock key, Alt key, spacebar key, Shift key, Delete key, Tab key, Escape key, Enter key, Backspace key, and Numlock key. These are some special keys of the keyboard. First of all, we are going to discuss about the caps lock key. The caps lock key activates the lowercase into uppercase. It is used to type in capital letters. When caps lock key is on, you can see light on the right hand side of the keyboard. So when you type a letter, then it will appear in capital or uppercase. Now we are going to discuss about the backspace key. The backspace key is used to delete a letter, word, or paragraph typed on the left side of the cursor on the screen. Now we are going to discuss about the spacebar key of the keyboard. The spacebar key is the longest key on the keyboard. It is present as a horizontal bar in the lowermost row of the keyboard. Spacebar key is used to provide a blank space between two words. Now we are going to discuss about the Enter key. The Enter key is used to move the cursor to the beginning of the next line. Shift key. The Shift key is used to type the upper character of some of the keys on the keyboard. If you press the Shift key and an alphabet key together, the alphabet is typed in the upper case. There are two Shift keys on the keyboard. The Shift key is a better option then the caps lock key when we need to type only a single capital letter in the beginning of word. Num lock key. When the num lock key is turned on, the number present on the numeric pad starts working. In case you wish to type numbers using numeric keypad on the right side of the keyboard, press numlock key. Delete key. The delete key is used to delete anything typed wrong on the right side of the cursor. Now we are going to discuss about the arrow keys of the keyboard. The arrow keys are also called cursor control keys. These keys are used to move the cursor up, down, left, or right. Punctuation keys. The punctuation keys are the keys on the keyboard that relate to punctuation. Examples of these keys include the comma key, the question mark key, the colon key, and the period key. All of these keys, which can be located to the right of the letter keys, have multiple functions. Now we are going to discuss about the function keys. The keys marked from F1 to F12 are called the function keys. These keys are used to perform some special functions. For example, the function key F1 is used for help, and the function key F3 is used for searching a file or document. Hope you understand today's lesson. Now let's move on to today's homework. Here are some questions for you students. And question number 1 is, which key is used to insert blank spaces between words? Question number 2, which key shows the direction of the cursor? Question number 3, which key is used to type the capital or uppercase letters? And you have to answers to these questions on page number 27 of book. Question number 4, define the following keys of the keyboard. A. Enter key. B. Caps lock key. C. Shift key. D. Delete key. E. Numlock key. F. Backspace key. G. Spacebar key. H. Punctuation keys. And I. Arrow keys. You have to answers to these questions on your notebook. Thank you.